Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. When a BT UV box remote suddenly stops responding, navigating channels, recordings, and menus can become difficult even though the box itself may still be working properly. Remote issues can sometimes be linked to batteries, signal interference, pairing problems, or temporary system glitches that prevent commands from reaching the BT UV box. The good part is that many of these causes can be checked within a few minutes without needing any special tools. In this video, I'll walk you through several quick troubleshooting steps that may help restore communication between your BTU Viewbox remote and the BTU Viewbox. Try these. Step 1. Replace the batteries in the BTU Viewbox remote. Step 2. Point the BTU Viewbox remote directly at the BTU Viewbox. Step 3. Remove obstacles near the BTU Viewbox. Step 4. Restart the BTU Viewbox. Step 5. Repair the BTU box remote if needed. Step 6. Test the BTU box remote again.